Welcome to Tales in 3D. Today we're diving into the world of 3D printing file formats, focusing on two of the most popular, STL and 3MF. Choosing the right file format is crucial for the success of your 3D printing projects. Let's explore what STL and 3MF files are, their differences, and when to use each. STL, Standard Tessellation Language. STL, or Standard Tessellation Language, was developed in 1987 by 3D Systems. It's the oldest and most widely used file format in 3D printing, representing 3D models using a mesh of triangles to approximate surfaces. While STL files are universally supported and straightforward, they only contain geometry data, lacking information about color, material, or texture. What is 3MF? 3MF, or 3D manufacturing format, was introduced by the 3MF Consortium, including companies like Microsoft and Autodesk. Designed specifically for 3D printing, 3MF files can store detailed information. This makes 3MF ideal for complex projects requiring multi-material or texture designs. Key differences between STL and 3MF. Let's compare STL and 3MF across several key aspects. STL contains only geometry data. 3MF includes geometry, color, material, and texture information. File size. STL, generally larger due to less efficient data storage. 3MF, more compact thanks to efficient compression. Compatibility.stl, universally supported by almost all 3D printers and software. 3MF, growing support, but not yet as universal as STL. STL files are simple and widely supported, making them suitable for basic 3D printing tasks. However, they lack detailed information and can lead to inaccuracies in complex models. 3MF files offer comprehensive data storage, supporting complex designs with multiple materials and colors. The main drawback is that not all 3D printers and software currently support 3MF. Use STL for simple designs and rapid prototyping, especially when working with basic printers. Opt for 3MF when dealing with complex projects that require detailed instructions, such as multi-material. Tools like Mesh Mixer, Cura, and Fusion 360 can convert between STL and 3MF formats. Import your file, adjust settings as needed, and export in the desired format, ensuring no data loss during conversion. As 3D printing technology evolves, the demand for advanced file formats like 3MF is growing. While STL remains a reliable choice, 3MF's ability to handle complex designs positions it as a potential in. Understanding the differences between STL and 3MF can help you choose the right format for your 3D printing projects. For more insights and tips, visit our blog at Tales in 3D. Subscribe for more 3D printing tutorials and insights.